history of each company is like a tree. One grows into a huge, solid oak, while the destiny of another is a dwarf birch. Currently, ЭКРА group of companies combines development and producing departments, machining production, regional dealers and service centers, designing and engineering organizations. Today, ЭКRА produces the Russian product which is highly competitive to world leaders of electrical equipment thanks to wealth experience in the field of relay protection development, application of new technologies, modern equipment and accessories. But this is now. 25 years ago, there was only the accumulated baggage of unique knowledge, a desire to move forward, and an abiding belief in a bright future. And this was above the beyond for a successful start. ЭКRА Group's formula of success is people with invaluable experience of relay protection and automation development for the entire USSR. They are the ones who worked in Research Relay Building Institute on simple RT40 relay protection devices and sophisticated panels, PDE 2000. The team of future ЭКRА started from outstanding personalities for whom the words professionalism, humanity, diligence, and honesty aren't empty phrases. Today, words ЭКRA guarantee quality and professionalism for many consumers in the power energy industry. Constant works on production improvement allow offering customers solutions with quality and reliability, pride of place. The company works on knowledge connection of control, protection, and converter systems. This will provide solutions for active adaptive network control of entire power districts including renewable energy sources. New types of protections are being developed with the maximum use of digital technologies for all electric equipment. The anniversary year, the company introduced a number of new products. An updated protection device type ЭКRA 217 has been introduced for low-voltage networks. It maximally fits the relay protection features in 6 to 35 kilovolts networks and has the flexibility to configure the individual characteristics of particular facility. BE 2704 protection device is introduced with a universal multi-purpose hardware implementation for 110 to 750 kilovolts networks. This provides possibility of any power from 110 to 750 kilovolts equipment implementation on its basis. Due to device multi-purposeness, the necessary amount of spare tools and accessories is reduced. Our company has especially succeeded in emergency control direction. Emergency control equipment is produced on the basis of microprocessor devices series ЭКRA 200 as part of SHA-E 220 cabinets. ЭКRA ICS Insulation Control System has a set of new level of development in the field of low-voltage devices. ЭКRA is one of the first in Russia to begin to develop intelligent operating DC voltage system based on own monitoring system and automatic control system ACS for DC and auxiliary boards. 10 years ago, the company established electric drive department. At present, high voltage frequency converters SCN series have scaled a new height. Now they can adjust the speed of high voltage asynchronous and synchronous drives up to 8 megawatts, as well as regulate the speed of electric drives with brushless excitation system. All equipment produced by the enterprise is attested by FGC UES, Rosseti, and Rosatom and recommended for use at Transneft and Gazprom facilities. ЭКRA potential output allows producing over 8,000 cabinets per year. Company production is installed at over 350 plants, over 2,000, 35 to 110 to 220 kilovolts class substations, 200, 330 to 750 kilovolts class substations, and various power facilities of industries. The equipment produced by ЭКRA is installed in Russia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Belarus, Vietnam, Myanmar, Georgia, Iraq, Syria, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Ukraine, and Croatia. Over the past 10 years, the scope of supply has increased 17 times. Approaching the 25th anniversary, ЭКRA Group has ensured the successful operation of many complex and important facilities for the country that once again confirms ЭКRA Group's reputation as a reliable supplier of complete solutions. The Amur region, Space Base Vostochny. The first successful launch with placing 3 satellites into orbit was made in April 28, 2016. The first Russian civilian space base ensured independence from all tasks of space activities from the scientific, social, and economic up to manned space programs. Research and production enterprise ЭКРА ensured independence of space-based power systems from negative influence. The Crimean Power Bridge. It's the most important project of the year. The power bridge helped to undertake state of emergency from the peninsula and gave the residents confidence in the future. Hundreds of kilometers of cable and overhead power lines, a part of the power bridge passes along the bottom of Kerch Strait. The operating voltage is from 220 to 500 kilovolts. The strategically important facility is protected and managed by ЭКРА equipment. Olympic Games 2014 in Sochi is an international event. Dozens of objects that have been visited by thousands of tourists within 2 weeks. Everything should run like clockwork. Once again, ЭКRА equipment protected the power of the facility. A network of regional centers has been growing since 2008 throughout the country and abroad. ЭКРА Sibir, ЭКRА Center, ЭКRА Vostok, ЭКRА Yug, ЭКRА Severozapad, ЭКRА Kazakhstan, ЭКRА Asia, and ЭКRА Caucasus. Geographic proximity to customers, availability of spare parts, and finished protection devices at stock allow the centers to quickly respond to arisen questions and, if necessary, promptly repair the failed equipment. Its own research and development center, established in 2009, trains the staff and relay operators' maintenance features of microprocessor equipment. The center provides training for relay protection specialists, extension courses for design, development, commissioning, and maintenance specialists.
Only a few of our electrotechnical colleagues can boast a similar period of their activities. In fact, in Cheboksary, I can count such companies on the fingers of one hand. The road along which we walked this quarter of a century wasn't broad and straight. There were mistakes that we tried to correct. Sometimes successfully, sometimes that good. There were failures that made us truly upset. There were real successes and victories to be proud of, and we're proud of them.
25 years of innovations, 9 regional representations, 1,500 employees, 55,000 square meters of production space, tens of thousands of released products, thousands of customers, and 16 countries of service. All these are ЭКРА Group today. The company that is confidently looking ahead and changing the present for the sake of the future.